Welcome back to CarOG 765. This is the channel where we explore classic American cars, rare vintage legends, and timeless machines that changed automotive history. If you love old-school style, powerful engines, and untold stories from the golden era of automobiles, make sure you subscribe to CarOG 765 and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Today, we're diving into a truly unique and underrated American classic, the 1952 Kaiser Henry J. The 1952 Kaiser Henry J was built by Kaiser Frazer as an affordable compact car during a time when big, heavy sedans dominated American roads. Named after industrialist Henry J. Kaiser himself, this car represented innovation, courage, and a fresh approach to car design. At a time when most automakers focused on large chrome-heavy vehicles, Kaiser dared to think small, efficient, and practical. Let's start with the exterior. The 1952 Henry J had a simple yet charming design. It featured a clean front grille, rounded fenders, and a compact two-door body style. Unlike many cars of its era, it had a shorter wheelbase, making it lighter and easier to handle. The styling was modest but elegant. It didn't scream for attention with excessive chrome, yet it had a confident personality. Its smooth curves and balanced proportions gave it a distinctive look that still turns heads at classic car shows today. One interesting detail about early Henry J models was that some versions came without a trunk lid. You had to fold down the rear seat to access the cargo area. This was done to reduce production costs and keep the car affordable. Later models added a proper trunk lid due to customer demand. This shows how Kaiser was experimenting and adapting in real time. Under the hood, the 1952 Kaiser Henry J offered two engine options. The base model came with a 134 cubic inch inline-4 engine producing around 68 horsepower. There was also a more powerful 161 cubic inch inline-6 engine delivering about 80 horsepower. While those numbers may sound small today, remember this was a lightweight compact car in the early 1950s. The power was enough for comfortable daily driving, and the car delivered respectable fuel efficiency for its time. Performance-wise, the Henry J was not built to be a muscle car. Instead, it focused on reliability and economy. It typically came with a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a simple and engaging driving experience. The lightweight body helped the car feel responsive, especially compared to the heavier full-size sedans of that era. Inside the cabin, the 1952 Henry J was practical and straightforward. The dashboard design was clean and functional, with easy-to-read gauges and simple controls. The interior materials were modest, reflecting its budget-friendly purpose. However, it was surprisingly spacious for a compact car, offering decent legroom and headroom for passengers. The simplicity of the interior is part of its charm today. It feels honest and mechanical, without unnecessary complexity. One of the most fascinating chapters in the Henry J's history is its connection to performance culture. Some Henry J models were later modified by hot rodders because of their lightweight design. In fact, the car even appeared in early drag racing scenes, proving that even an economy car could become something exciting with the right upgrades. Although the Henry J was only produced from 1951 to 1954, it left a lasting impression. It showed that American manufacturers could build compact cars long before the compact car boom of the 1960s. Today, the 1952 Kaiser Henry J is considered a rare collectible. Enthusiasts appreciate it not only for its design but also for its bold attempt to challenge industry norms. In conclusion, the 1952 Kaiser Henry J is more than just an old compact car. It represents innovation, ambition, and the spirit of post-war America. It may not have been the biggest or the fastest, but it had character, purpose, and originality. And sometimes, that's what truly makes a car legendary. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1952 Kaiser Henry J, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow classic car lovers, and subscribe to CarOG 765 for more vintage automotive stories. See you in the next video.